Good morning, learners, and welcome to French Skills Acquisition Hub. This is where we help you improve your French language skills in 4 areas: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. In today's video, I have a specific activity that will help you build on your speaking skill. We dive into the word of the French alphabet and how to pronounce correctly all the letters of the French alphabet. I needed to repeat after me, and after that, we do a practice exercise to ensure that you have the sound correctly. Okay? Without further ado, let's do that. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q for Quebec, R, R, like air you're breathing, S, S, T, T, U, U for huge, U, U, music, U, V, V, double V, double V, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. All right, those were the correct sounds of the French alphabet. Now, to ensure that you guys actually understand and master the sounds, we're gonna conduct a practical exercise where I will be raising all these and putting some letters on the board and allow you to practice. All right, stay with me, please. All right. Now we have all the letters of the alphabet. Let's practice together. N, C, S, Z, M, G, X, D, I, A, L, R, R, S, F, J, G, H, Y, Z, Q, I, X, B. Yeah, I hope this was an opportunity for you to practice your sounds of the French alphabet. I needed to use that opportunity to continue to practice. I'm going to be hosting a live stream where I will give you the opportunity to practice your sounds of the alphabet in French. All right. I'll let you know when I'm going to do that. But for now, I needed to go ahead and practice. If you do have a comment, please leave a comment below. Also, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to this channel to upload content that I think will be beneficial for you. Any questions you have, please drop me a comment below. I'll go over my comments, read them, and I'll respond to you. I hope today's lesson was very productive for you. Stay tuned, practice, and do not give up. You will eventually get there. That was me, Joel. I'm the French coach, French tutor, and I'm going to help you achieve your French language skill. Thank you and hope to talk to you soon.